It's now the 11th of October, 2011. Radar is trying to show some mid-level moisture. It's apparently not reaching the ground, but we are thickening up. It's been kind of cloudy today. You can see the record high, only 89, set back in 1949. And look at that record low. This is the coldest temperature this early in the cool half of the year, shall we say, with 21 degrees set back in 1964. There were a lot of record lows in October of 64, as you probably remember if you've seen a couple of these cast or been watching the 10 o'clock news. As expected, temperatures are in the low to mid-70s, up to 74. It's the warmest so far in Morgantown. We have 71 at the Wheeling, Ohio County Airport, 70 in Washington, Steubenville, New Martinsville, and 72 in Cambridge. Winds are coming in generally out of the east at about 3 to 7 miles an hour. Not much to report there. You go to the satellite view, you can see the green trying to move our way, but it's moving into a drier air mass, so it's going to take a while before the moisture levels get down low enough that it actually is raindrops hitting the ground. Hopefully that'll occur after midnight, not before. We'll move on and show you what we expect to see in terms of our temperature map. As expected, once again, it's cool up there in the northwest. You can see that's where the green is, indicating temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Meanwhile, you can see the 70s moving all the way up to International Falls, right along the U.S.-Canadian border, 74 in Minneapolis, 78 in Chicago, 77 in Buffalo. Still trying to warm up. Now, yesterday they were 85 in Boston, and now they're sitting at 63. 70 in D.C. They're quite a bit cooler today. And I think a lot of the coolness over here has to do with the showers. In fact, we'll show you the satellite and radar after we show you the watches and warnings. And not much of anything. There are a couple of counties in central Florida that have flooding, creeks, streams, and rivers over their banks. There's the moisture moving up there. I'm not sure why it's so much cooler in Boston today. It must be they got a different air mass come in. I haven't been paying too much attention to their weather. And why should I? They don't pay me a penny. Meanwhile, we look at what we've got here in the mid-Atlantic up into our area, and it's just a matter of time before the rain starts to hit the ground. Here's our predictor. We'll put it into motion for you, and by 4 p.m. tomorrow, we're in the green, which means in the showers. Here's the low associated with that. That low will continue to track up to the north and east. And then there we are late Thursday. Early Thursday might look pretty good, but late Thursday we'll get some showers coming back. Then we got this strong cold front that's coming through Thursday night into Friday morning. It'll be breezy around here Thursday night into Friday. We are expecting to see a few rain showers around. Much cooler for Friday night football. In fact, we do expect a few showers. Temperatures generally in the 50s rather than bone dry, perfect weather like we had last Friday where the temperature's in the 60s. There we go, 4 p.m. Saturday. You'll see the big low moves up from Ontario into Quebec. Meanwhile, we'll watch something slowly develop out there in the Great Plains, and eventually we could be getting some showers coming into our lives maybe Monday or Tuesday. There's your 7-day forecast, and you can see the temperatures, well, 65, 68, not too bad, and we got showers early and late on Wednesday. We got showers late Thursday, early Friday, late Friday. Saturday, the weekend's looking pretty good. Still keeping the highs in the 60s rather than up near 80, so we'll be about 15, almost 20 degrees cooler this coming weekend than we were last weekend. And I'm keeping it dry right now for Monday and holding the rain off until late Tuesday, even though predictor seems to be moving it in there a little bit faster than I am. All in all, I can't complain too much about the weather. Hey, it could be worse. It could be snow.